Hi guys, in this episode you will see how to turn belt covers from looking like this to looking like that. Okay, basically at the end it's just a matter of how far you want to go, how mirror-like you want to be. If you use something very hard as this, you will have these scorching marks on the material, and to buffer them out you will need a lot of this guy, then this guy, polishing paste, and go over until you get that, for example here, mirror finish. But as I said, I don't want to do that. I need to go this deep because the oxidation was very tough on this one, and the Honda have a nasty habit to put clear coat over these parts, even on carburetors here. But if you are really determined, you can get really nice finish on the carbs like this, but I will not bother myself with that. I'm quite happy to be like this. And now I will put them back on. This is I'm happy with. I will now just clean it and put it back on bike.